Welcome back, my students, to Chapter 5, Lesson 4, Physical Properties of Amines. The physical properties of amines depend on the size and the type of amines. First, the first member of amines, such as methylamine and ethylamine, are gases, and as the molecular mass increases, their states change to liquid then to solid. 2. Amines have the odor or the smell of the rotten fish, because rotten fish produces different type of amines. 3. The first members of amines are highly soluble in water, ethanol and ether, but the solubility decreases with increasing in molecular mass or the size of the molecule. The higher members of amines are not soluble in water. The second factor, it is the type of the amines. The primary amines more soluble in water than secondary amine, and secondary more than tertiary because of the hydrogen bonding with water. If they have the same size, so we have to compare the type of the amines. But if they are the same type, we have to compare the molecular mass. Number 3, the boiling points of amines. The boiling point of the primary amines more than secondary amine and more than tertiary amine. For the same molecular mass, because of hydrogen bonding, primary amines for more hydrogen bond than secondary amines, and the secondary amine more than tertiary amine, and really tertiary amine can't form hydrogen bonds between their molecules because there is no hydrogen bonds in tertiary amine. But in the primary amine, we have 2 hydrogen atoms attached to the nitrogen atom, so more hydrogen bonding. In the secondary amine, we have only 1 hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen, so less hydrogen bonding. But in the tertiary amine, there is no hydrogen bonding as there is no hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen atom. Now, if the boiling points increases by increasing the molecular mass for the same type of amine. Now we have example. The highest boiling point is for C3H7NH2 or C2H5NHCH3 or CH3 by 3N or CH3NH2. As we see here, this is primary amine because we have 2 hydrogen atoms attached to the nitrogen and 1 alkyl group. Here it is secondary amine because we have 1 H attached to the nitrogen, and this is alkyl and this is alkyl group. Here there is no hydrogen atom, so this is tertiary amine. We have 3 alkyl groups. And here we have primary amine because we have 2 hydrogen atoms attached to the nitrogen, and this is alkyl group. So we have to cancel the tertiary, then secondary. Now we have to compare this one and this one because this is C3H7 and this is CH3, and it's primary. So what do you guess now? Yes, it is C3H7NH2 because it's primary and it has higher molecular mass. It means more carbon atom than CH3NH2. The second example, the least soluble compound in water for the same molecular mass is primary, secondary, or tertiary amines or ammonium salt. As we said, yes, it is the tertiary amine because there is no or less hydrogen bonding with water.